Hello, this is Joan Fernley, your French and Latin diction coach for choirs. In this video, I will read the Offertory, which includes both the Domine Jesu and Hostias. This is the 5th Latin tutorial of my 11-part series covering all the Latin texts of the classic choral Latin Requiem. You'll find the link to the full playlist in the description box below. It's one video tutorial for each part of the Requiem. The only exception is the first video that combines the introit and the Kyrie, just because the Kyrie is so short. Also included in the playlist is my introduction to this series. It's the guide I wish I had when I set out on this project. Most classic choral Latin requiems follow a standard list of prayers, but composers might split or tie prayers together or add or omit prayers. Just look at a table of contents of a few masterworks and requiems can appear more unique than standard. So I highly recommend you watch my video. It covers just enough history and background to make sense of any classic choral Latin requiem. And it will help you match the right video to the movement you're working on, no matter which composer. As always, if you like what I do, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. The Offertory is frequently separated into two movements, the Domine Jesu and the Hostias. So those are the timestamps up on the screen so that you can easily jump around to wherever you need to be. And if you want to dig deeper into the pronunciation, check out my guide to Italian and Ecclesiastical Latin, which is the pronunciation I use in all my videos. For each section, I will read the text twice. The first time I will read at a conversational pace to give you an idea of the phrasing. And the second time I'll repeat that section slowly, word for word, to bring out the pronunciation of each individual word. Domine Jesu Christe, Rex Gloriae, libera animas omnium fidelium defunctorum, de penis inferni et de profundo lacu. Libera eas de ore leonis, ne absorbeat eas tartarus, ne cadant in obscurum. Sed signifer sanctus Michael representet eas in lucem sanctam, quam olim Abrae promissisti et semini eius. Domine Jesu Christe, Rex Gloriae, libera animas omnium fidelium defunctorum, de penis inferni et de profundo lacu. Libera eas de ore leonis, ne absorbeat eas tartarus, ne cadant in obscurum, sed signifer sanctus Michael representet eas in lucem sanctam, quam olim Abrae promissisti et semini eius. Hostias et preces tibi, Domine, laudis offerimus. Tu suscipe pro animabus illis, quarum odie memoriam facimus. Fac eas, Domine, de morte transire ad vitam, quam olim Abrae promissisti et semini eius. Hostias et preces tibi, Domine, laudis offerimus. Tu suscipe pro animabus illis, quarum odie memoriam facimus. Fac eas, Domine, de morte transire ad vitam, quam olim Abrae promissisti et semini eius. And there you have it, the Offertory. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.